Let your living waters flow over my soul. Let your Holy Spirit come and take control of every situation that has troubled all my mind. All my cares and burdens unto you I roll. Jesus, 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 into the Father, 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 to the Spirit, 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 Spirit. Come now, Holy Spirit, and take control. Hold me in your loving arms and make me whole. Wipe away all doubts and fears and take my pride. Draw me to your love and make me all your own. Jesus, 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 into the Father, 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 to the Spirit, 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 Spirit. Give your life to Jesus, let him take control. As you give your life to him, he'll set you free. Draw me to your love and make me all your own. Jesus, 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 sing to the Father, 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 to the Spirit, 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 into the Father, 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 to the Spirit.